GAT Flow allows admins to easily suspend users in their Google domain, and in this video we'll show you how. To begin, launch the GAT Flow tool and select the Create Workflow area. Give your workflow a name and description and select its type. In this case, we'll be suspending a user, so I'll choose Modify. Click on Next to proceed. Now select the users, groups, or OUs you want this workflow to affect. I'll select a user and proceed to actions when finished. Now in the Choose Actions area, select the left plus box to add an action. Search for the action Suspend Users from the displayed list. Once the action has been added, you can choose to suspend the user by activating the toggle. You can also unsuspend users by deactivating this toggle. Once you're finished, click Send Approval Request. Your request will be sent to your domain's GAT Unlock security officer, who will need to approve it. Once approved, the workflow will run. That covers this GAT Flow how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.